Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We're gonna watch today, guys, a video from Daichi Miura, Blizzard and Ultra. Let's see. Okay, what's happening? Oh. Okay. Dragon Ball Z? Oh, front screen, huh? Oh, is that an opening like that? Oh. Whoa. My God. That yeah, was nice. Wow. Nice high note. Oh my. Whoa. Sent?
Broly, 俺がお前を止めてやる。行くぜ。
行くぜ。
くらいだ。
うわ。
決めてやるぜ。
It works, yeah? Oh, it's a game. Oh my God. I'm hot. Whoa. 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 Nice. Okay. Bata bata. Oh man. Nice. Oh.
ブロリー、またいつでも相手になってやるぜ。
やるぜ。Oh, that was a good one. Love it. Okay. If you guys want more about Daichi Miura or Dragon Ball Z, please comment down below, guys, and bye bye.